Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Rethabile, but I'm known as Rethabz. So in today's video guys, we are going to create this everyday makeup look. So I just hope you are going to enjoy creating this amazing look with me guys. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, like and click the bell button to be notified every time when my videos goes out. Please do that. So without wasting any more time guys, let's get straight into this video. Okay my loves, for this look I am first going to start with my face, and I'm going to prime my face, and I am going to use the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer to prime my face. Say what you want to say to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Say what you want to say to me now. I want to wake up with you. So when I prime guys, I focus mostly on the areas that I know that my skin produces a lot of oil, which is my T zone. And again, I'm going to let my primer set at least for 5 minutes before I apply the foundation. So it is very important guys to prime your face because it seals the skin and protects it from the damage that harsh makeup products can cause on your skin. So basically, just after moisturizing your face, just make sure that you apply primer and you let it sit on your skin at least for 5 minutes. In that way, when you apply foundation, the primer won't move. So the foundation that we are going to use today is the Perfect Finish foundation from Signature, and I'm in the shade Caramello. So, and I am going to use first, okay, I wanted to use a foundation brush. I have not used this foundation for a long time and I don't know what's going on with it. So okay, I'm going to use the beauty blender. I wanted to use first the foundation brush, but it's fine. I'm just going to use the beauty blender. So I don't like to apply too much product on my forehead, since while this area it's not as open as the cheeks. I forgot that this foundation dries way too fast. And this foundation guys is very good for those who does not have many dark spots, and for those who does not like heavy makeup. Like if you want very light makeup, this is the foundation for you on a budget. On top of that, because this is literally less than 100 rand. So we are moving to highlighting. So I am going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn to highlight my face. And for those of you who are wondering where I did my hair, so I did this hair by myself. So I'm going to upload a video on how I achieved this look, and please check it out. I don't know if you will get this video first or that one first, so but keep on checking. And it's very helpful for those who do not like to go to the salon
like for those who prefer to do their own hair, and for those who have short hair, because I'm still trying to grow my hair. So yeah, it's a very good tutorial for those with short hair and you don't want to waste your money at the salons, since well your hair is so very short. So please check it out. And you guys, the purpose of highlighting is to fake a facelift, to make your forehead look polished and to highlight the eyes, and again to minimize dark under eye circles. I'm starting first with the blending brush, since well when I only use a beauty blender, guys, my under eye starts to crease during the day, so I'm avoiding such. So since well I started to use a blending brush first, it has helped me a lot to blend the concealer the way I do want it to be blended. And since well today we are not going to apply any eyeshadow, I am going to also apply the excess concealer on my eyes. Alright my loves, I am going to set my concealer using the Signature translucent powder. And where's the sign? Oh, it has come off. You can't be able to see it, but it's the translucent powder from Signature Cosmetics. I'm sure you can see with the logo here. So before I apply the translucent powder, I'm just going in with the beauty blender that I have used to blend my concealer, just to avoid harsh lines before setting. And you guys, please don't mind the noise that you are about to hear at the background, because those children are back. I don't know why they play this side, guys. This is not on. They can't let me work. When is the schools opening, guys? So I'm just going to I'm just using another beauty blender. So for contouring my loves, I am going to use any lady palette, and this is the shade that I am going to use. Okay, I'm just going to use this shade, and I'm going to apply a little bit of blush using this shade here. And please remember that the importance of contouring is that it helps to enhance your facial bone structure and create depth on your face. Okay guys, now we are moving to our eyes, and I'm going to use this BeFabulous eyeliner from It's from Ackermans. It's a black eyeliner, so I'm just going to do a wing liner. So for my lower lashes, I'm going to apply this cream eyeliner using this one, and I don't know why I am using these two, but they're working for me. They are literally working for me. You see, just one application is enough. So the highlighter that I am going to use is your Dodo Girl face highlighter. I'm back in love with Gosh highlighter, so for now I cannot find it, so we are just going to use this one instead. Okay guys, I applied a setting spray which is the Signature Fit Perfect setting spray. That's the one I have applied. So we are moving to the lips, then we are done with our tutorial. So I'm just going to use an eyeliner, a brown eyeliner, and I'm going to apply a nude lipstick. Since well, this look is very neutral, so I just prefer to use, to apply a neutral lipstick. So this is the lipstick. Okay you guys, this is basically the final look. I just hope you have enjoyed creating this look with me, guys. As you can see that this is the best everyday makeup look. You do not need too much, you just have to be neutral. Even though you don't want to apply lipstick, you can still apply just a lip gloss. So I just prefer a lipstick more than a lip gloss, more especially if I have applied makeup. So, and if you want to see more of my videos, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Tell me what you think of this everyday makeup look, guys. So please also check out my video of how I have created this hairstyle. So I'm pretty sure that you are going to love it. So will see you next time, guys, on my next video. Goodbye.